Saintfloew arrived album launch in a coffin. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, to share and comment as well. Tizivi kuti chii chiri kuitika new trend iyi iriko yekuti vanhu vanosvika vari mumacoffin. Diamond Platinum recently came out mucoffin again. Asvika kune imwe gig yake. Is it because Saintfloew is trying to show the message yekuti people declared him dead or music yake dead because of drugs, and now he resurrected and came back? Kana kuti ajoin a cult? Hatisi kunzwisisa chiri kuitika. Please comment muchitaura kuti muri kufungei nezviri kuitika izvi mumastreets. But the album launch was massive. It was actually a success. Many are saying voice rasaint rachinja since akaenda kurehab. There was something in whatever he was taking taita kuti voice rake rive nekamwe kadhati. So but we just noticed kuti no, people are just discouraging. Maybe it was too soon for him to perform.